I'm going to take you through a few more unique benefits that you can get out of the Java Augmenter tool. Using Java Augmenter tool, you can create combo boxes or list of values. Basically, you can create list of values on a text item field. So where there is a free text that is getting entered, if you want to make it restricted from a list of value, you can do that. So I'm opening up a employment verification form, and this currently the to field is a text field which is a free form, and I want to go and create some augmentation to make it the data to come from a list of value. And the list of value can be classified in Java Augmenter. Either it can be, you can create a combo box, or it can be a list box. Either one of it we can do. So on the to field, I'm going to make it as a list of value, and I'm going to define a list of value definition here. And the list of value can be created based on, you can pass static input values, or it could be you can pass a value dynamically using an SQL query, or it can be based on a table validation value set, or it can be independent value set. So it will pick automatically the value set that you have defined in the Oracle EBS, and that can be used here to feed the input value. In this case, I'm going to write a SQL query. So this is the SQL query which I am using to fetch the list of value data to be populated on the to field. And I can also, as an input for the validation or the input, any of the validation, I can use also another field from the same OA framework page, or also you can use any of the profile value which is available. So that gives you a kind of a nice a feature for you to do your validation based on some of the additional fields that you might have on the same block, same form. So I'm going to apply this SQL based list of value creation on the employment verification page. So I'm ready to apply this augmentation. I'm going to enable this, and let's quickly see also the expires in field, where I'm going to create a combo box, and you can create events based on page load, or you can on focus on so several events can be, based on the event, this list of value can be triggered. So here I'm going to pass static values, input values. Values here, a week, fortnight, month, quarter of a year, all of that input has been given. So I'll just take these input static values and use on the combo box, which was earlier the same field was a free form text field. So let us go ahead and enable both the list of values and check it up on the source form. So the augmentation is successfully done. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page. So you can see now on the to field, automatically there is a list of value window showing up, and it is the same list of value that you would see on any of the standard OA framework pages. So all the searches and everything will work as per the normal standards. So I can apply, and you can see here the list box, showing all the values on the pull down list. So you can pick any one of them, and so it's so easy for you to convert any of the text field into a list of value enabled field, and you can make that list of value enabled based on a simple to complex conditions also. And also we support changing the existing list of value fields also. In a business scenario, when preceded, some of the fields might have a lot of data which shows up on the list of value, which may not be needed for the business, and or you might want to show to one employee in a certain amount of data compared to another person. So if you want to differentiate what a person would like to have on the list of value, you can change the existing framework of a list of value using our Java Augmenter product. That's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going into the customers page. On the ACE communication, you can see here the operating unit information. There is so many operating unit that by default he has access to, and but I wanted to restrict, based on a user. I want to say he gets only vision operations on this page alone. Maybe on another page he might get something more. So I'm going to set up some conditions based on which this list of value I want to enable. Restrict the list of value. So I go into the Java Augmenter from the customers page. I'm going to modify the existing list of value on this customers page. It is on the operating unit field. So on page load, let me create a combo box. I'm going to make it from a list box to a combo box.